I'm giving away money. I'm a stripper. Am I a stripper, you guys? Look. I don't even remember ordering these, you guys. Shopaholic. Just literally ordering. I literally bought so many of these. What's in my bag? What fits in my bag? And a review of bag organizers. What's in my bag? This particular bag and bag organizers in general. And this is not an endorsement because they don't give me any money, but if Zutujo, if you do want to give me money, Zutujo, I'll say it to Zutujo one more time. Zutujo. Hello. Hey guys. Hey. Been a minute, hasn't it? It's been a minute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a guy, geek, a luxury lover, shopaholic, chic shit. And today we're doing a fun little, not unboxing, not review, well, kind of a review. We're doing, well, it's a combo. We're gonna do a what fits in my bag, with this Chanel Deauville Tote that I've been using it out of. And what fits in my bag, but also bag organizers. That's why I love them, why I hate them, why I love them, why I hate them. Which ones I use, which ones I like, all those kind of things. Which ones I use, which ones I like, and why. And why I'm obsessed with them, and why I have hundreds of them, and why I love them. I have so many more, I just bought more. And why I love them, and why, what I like, what I don't like, and where to get them, and all those kind of things. So what's in my bag, this particular bag, and bag organizers in general. So if that's what you're interested in, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Please consider subscribing, keep on watching, keep on watching, keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna try to be fast, you guys. I'm trying to be fast with all my videos. So first of all, Chanel Deauville Tote. It's my auntie's, not mine. Didn't buy it, borrowing it. Love. From 2017 Karl Lagerfeld collection, I think. It's like a burgundy color. My aunt gave it to me, I love it. I use it all the time. It's been my bag of choice, or whatever, my usual bag. A little break from this one. A little smaller, but carries everything and can still fit my laptop, actually. It just kind of sticks out. Like, I'll just stick it in this way and sticks out. But, okay, what I like about this bag is it's got the handles, and I put these on to protect the handles because the handles are a little worn. I put my little bag charms on it. Love my little bag charms. It is a little flash, right? I mean, it's very loud Chanel right here. I guess I'm doing a little bit of a review of this bag. Maybe I can go into more in depth this bag later, but it is a little loud because of this, but then sometimes I just wear it like that. And then I also like it because it's got these, so you can wear it over the shoulder, or even crossbody if you're really feeling it. And then I also have this puppy on the back, which is my little bracelet thingy bag hook. So, you know. So that's that. Got those on. Not about that. The one thing I don't like is that a lot of times this will get stuck like this, and then it can't open all the way. But it's got a button snap closure. I am kind of doing the whole inside the bag. Whatever, I'll talk about this bag too, because I'm literally all over the place. Okay, so it button closes like that, kind of has like this kind of look, which is kind of cool. I do like, it's got this flap closure for protection, and it kind of has this like cool shape. It's structured on the bottom. It's got feet on the bottom too, which is nice. So you can protect the bottom. Open it up. Also, these can come in. Not that you ever would, but like, if you didn't want those hanging around and you want to kind of like have like a little, like this kind of moment where they're kind of the same thing, you can do that. But I kind of like the hang. Okay, so it's got button closure. It's got 2 zip pockets in here on either side, which is nice because most bags don't have any zip pockets. You can like keep stuff in both zip pockets, the front and the back, whatever you want. Like easily accessible, the front one, or like, you know, a little more protected in the back one. I keep my keys and stuff and my wallets and stuff in them. Now I'm using these 2 puppies. Love this metal munchkin. It's my, what's it called? Delvaux, Subtle Flex. I do it like I have like it's got 3 compartments for cards, but they don't really like separate. Like just kind of throw all your cards in that compartment, or throw all your cards in that compartment, throw your cards in that compartment. So they're separated into categories. I think it's credit cards, essential cards, and then excess cards or something like that. So that's in there. And then my Papa. My favorite of faves. I have some gift cards in the back, and then I have a lot of cash in here. Don't touch me. Oh my God. I never carry cash, actually. I literally never carry cash. But my dad said to always have a little bit of cash on you. And my dad does, not used to. Soon to be used to. Morbid thought. He's not doing so well. Anyway. Just had a moment. Okay, so. Why did I say used to? Okay, anyway. Okay, so my dad was carrying a lot of cash. So I wanted to carry a little bit, but not this much. But I just haven't gone to the bank. So don't try to rob me because I never have cash. But I haven't had like, I'm a stripper. Am I a stripper, you guys? Look. And I also got this, which is like a really, really old 100. So I'm gonna like frame this and keep it somewhere because it's like so cool. But the rest of this, that was a lot of fun. I'm gonna do that. I'm giving away money. Okay, Chai, you can have some. Okay. Anyway, so that's that, and that's that in there. I have my keys. You don't need to see those. But what I really want to talk about is this bag organizer. So this one's actually a little bit small for this. I think this is a 30 cm bag. This is a little bit smaller, or maybe this is a 30 cm bag and this is like 32. But I love it. Okay, look at how cute it is. Okay, and everything's got a spot, right? It's so great. And this is from Zutujo, I think, and it's on sale right now. So it was $9. This is a $9 organizer. In the world of organizers, there are like the peak ones. I can't even know their names. Like there's like $600, $700 silk organizers. Like, I mean, Goyard makes their own organizer that's $600. Like these felts, whatever, these like fancy material organizers that are really expensive and really nice to take care of your bag, but they're like, you know, for your $700 thing for your $10,000 Birkin, whatever. If you want a cheap organizer, still good quality. And then there's a whole level of felt ones, right? There's Samorga, there's Zimoni, there's all these other brands. I've never tried any of those brands, so I can't talk against or for them. The only one I've tried is Zutujo, and I've loved Zutujo, so I'm gonna just endorse Zutujo. They have their own website, Zutujo.com, and you can custom order everything. And this is not an endorsement because they don't give me any money, but if Zutujo, if you do want to give me money, Zutujo, I'll say it to Zutujo one more time, Zutujo. You know, you want to give me a free product or, you know, some sort of sponsor deal, I will take it. They're also on Amazon and available. Everyone I've got, I've used. Like the one, and I usually use them for shape. Like there's a Zutujo one in here, a really big one in here for shape. There's one in here for shape too. Like I use them to keep the shape because they kind of are sturdy and like stay there. So anyway, this was on sale and it was $9 for this size. So obviously I got two. This one I haven't even used yet, but I do put it in other bags for shape. I think it was in a backpack for shape or something like that. But it's the same thing. So this is what it looks like empty. Actually, this is perfect. I'll show you what it looks like empty and then what I put in it. So it's actually really great because it's got a bunch of pockets. It's got two big pockets here, one big flat pocket there, two pockets here, one flat pocket there, a zippy pocket here, three here, and three here. So you can really organize your stuff. And the zippy one is just one big one in the middle. And then it also has somewhere a little thing, keychain for your keys and stuff. This bag comes with its own keychain thingy, so you don't need that, but other bags don't. I mean, you could do this to the strap for the pochette, but I don't know. It's simple, it's nice. It's $9, you can't go wrong. $9 only in this color. Other colors, weirdly, are more priced. But $9 in this color and this size, I think it's still there. Go get it. I literally bought so many of these, and I have not opened them yet. It's been almost a month, and I haven't opened them because I wanted to open them on this video, so I'm gonna unbox these bag organizers. So this is a bag organizer video. Bag organizer / what fits in my bag, or what's in my bag. So what's in my bag? So I used up every compartment and I really like it. Okay, so usually put like papers and stuff in here too, but there's also poop bags for chai. Then over here we have, in this one we have Tic Tacs, and I don't know if you guys care what's in my bag, but I'm telling you it. This is fizzy energy drink. This is my really old Louis Vuitton. Actually, my friend gave it to my best friend. You know my best friend. It's his. I mean, it's change. I keep changing here, so it stays in here with my change, and I like it because it's like old Louis Vuitton. You know, like I can feel. It feels like I have so many new bags, and none of them are broken in. So it's like I like the feel of a used bag. So I like how he's getting used. He's starting to get used. I mean, this is my mom's, but whatever. She used it. She barely uses it. We barely leave the house because of my dad. Anyway. Okay, another fizzy, another energy drink thing. Also really good energy. Love these. I think it's at Whole Foods. Also not endorsing these, but if Good Day Chocolate Energy Supplement contains, Good Day Chocolate Energy Supplement feels like needing a sponsor, I will endorse the out of you. I love this. It's so good. It's chocolate and it's caffeine and it gives you so much energy. Like 2 of them, 4 of them, 6, 8, you're like going crazy. This is so good. So I keep these. Then in here, in this big flap, I have masks. Usually I have more, but different color masks, obviously, to match my mouth. And because I'm still wearing masks, because I have to, because of my dad and my own health now, unfortunately. In this middle one, I have, never know when I'm gonna need these, because I'm always like, when I'm out and about and doing shit all day, or like working stuff, or whatever. So I have plastic utensils and napkins, although these napkins look like they're not usable. Then, I don't know why that's in the zippy one, but it is because it's the only one that makes sense. The thing I don't like is that, I mean, you could put things in between because there's supposed to be space here and space here to put things, but if you fill these up, it just ends up going like that, so there's nothing going in between. But you could put stuff in between. Like I have pills in between. I have Elta MD sunscreen that I love in between. Next flap over, we've got a pen and a highlighter, you know. My sunglasses, which I never wear because I'm always wearing glasses, but they are there because I always lose them. I'm a person that loses everything and never is like so disorganized and like so always wait like 20, 30, 40 minutes late because I'm looking for one thing, my keys, my this, my that. So this is so helpful to just have everything. And it's like, it's the right size that it can literally plop from bag to bag. Obviously if you're in like a very little bag, can't, but they do have small, very small versions too. So I've got lip, hand sanitizer, again, gotta be healthy, safe for me. Sunscreen, different kind of sunscreen. This Elta MD is tinted. This one's not, but it's goopy and it's not creamy and it's amazing. It's called Unseen Sunscreen Supergroup, also great. And it's 40 SPF and you can never not have enough sunscreen, right? Gotta help take care of our skin, guys. AirPods, inhaler, hand cream that my friends gave me. I really love it. It's blue fig and velveteer. Another fizzy. I have a lot of these fizzies. These are Arbonne fizzies. They give you energy. They're like, I don't even know how to explain them. Uh-oh, what's that? Something's peeling off. Oh, this popped open in here. That's what I'm always worried about, these things popping open, but that's why it's protected because it's felt. Okay, well, this is just hand cream, so I'm just gonna use it. Ooh, it's a lot. Hello. Oh, it's a lot of that. See? Now I'm hand creamed for the day. And for future, I'm gonna remember to put this in this way. I gotta clean that out later. There's still more cream in there. Okay. And then I got, now my hands are all sticky. And then I got tissues in this one. Because God knows I always need tissues because I gotta run out of nose all the time. All right, that's that. I'm gonna reopen these other ones real quick because I've been waiting to. So again, Amazon, so cheap. I think these are like $9, $10 each. And I got them in different colors. Another Zutujo. Oh, two Zutujos. I don't know why I got two. These must have been on sale too. This is a larger size in pink. Maybe I'll do a giveaway of one of these. I still owe you guys giveaways, I know. I'm getting to it. Okay, so this one I liked probably because of the price, but also because it has a water cup holder, which the other one doesn't. And I drink a lot of water. I drink a gallon a day. And it has these handles so you can like just pick it out and put it from bag to bag, right? But it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compartments. It's got some pen compartments and outside compartments. It's just like a bigger version, but it's narrow, so it can fit. It's not as wide as that one. So it can actually, which I like, is you could put 2 of these. You get the idea. You could put 2 of them in the same bag. That's those 2. What else we got? Ooh, a red one. That is exciting. I don't even remember ordering these, you guys. Shopaholic. Just literally ordering. This is also Zutujo. Doesn't feel like Zutujo. It's one separate. Oh yeah, it is. No, Zutujo. Yeah, they're all Zutujo. Zutujo has a little thing there that says Zutujo. So this I like too because it's big and it's red, and this is detachable. So this little pouch, if you want to just carry the pouch with stuff. Although, like, who am I kidding? I'm gonna have a pouch that's a designer pouch. Put myself like that. So this pouch will go inside my like a freaking other pouch. But it kind of works like that, so you can have that. Also, yeah, that one. This one doesn't have anything detachable, but the one we've been talking about, this whole middle part is detachable. So if you want to take it out and just use like the sides and the middle and put a bunch of stuff in the middle, then you don't have to have this. Or you can just put this right next to it, kind of like that, which I sometimes do too. So you get more space. Red one has got 2 zippers. It's got a zipper here, which I kind of liked. And then pockets, 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 pockets. So many pockets. I love that I have a lot of these. The bad part about having a lot of these is the point of it is to be able to transfer them from one to another. But if I put one in every bag, then I'm just gonna not be transferring the stuff and I'm gonna have to remove this stuff every time. or just get multiples of all my stuff, which is more likely what I will do, is just have multiple different versions, because who doesn't need another excuse to go buy more stuff? I don't. Last one. Oh, this was the exciting one. Those are cool. This one, you guys, is so cute. It's black and red. Ooh, and it's not felt. It's like this shiny, shiny material. So this, I think, is gonna fit my Hakados backpacks, is what I got it for, because it's small and thin. It's gonna go down like that. And those are really thin. They're really thin. And you can't put an organizer in this way because it doesn't organize shit. So I think this is gonna fit my Hakadoses. I will try it later, because this, just another one for these puppies. I don't know, I just got sizes. But this one's so cute. And it's leopard, and I love cheetahs. This isn't a cheetah, but it's leopard. And it's red and black. And it's a different material, which is kind of nice, because I've always only had the felt ones. So, but it's literally a miniature version. Oh yeah, it is an exactly the same miniature version of this one. It's a little version of this one. So it's got a bunch of pockets, but the pockets are all obviously a lot smaller. So less to fit in a smaller bag. What do you guys think? Anyway, do you guys have bag orders that you like? What do you like? What you don't like? What do you use? What you don't use? Tell me everything in the comments below. I would love to know what you guys have. And I can't wait to hear more about, I can't wait to start using these. Can't wait to tell you more. That's like I can do more of this bag if you guys want. I mean, this bag is really great. I really like it. It's the Deauville. It's, what is it now? I think it's like $7,000 now, the new ones. Caviar, sturdy, in a cool color. Yeah, that's what I got for bag organizers. And what's in my bag. What's in my bag? All right, I gotta go do things now. So that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.